guys, welcome to State Industry. Today we're gonna learn about ionic equilibrium. Our first topic is acidic salt. Acidic salt, partial replacement of OH, H plus ion in acid. That means replacement of H plus ion in acid, not completely, it is partially. Or we can say that acidic salts are class of salts that produce a solution after being dissolved in a solvent. Let us take example like NHCO3, NaHSO4, Na2HPO4, etc. Our next topic is basic salt. The salts formed by partial replacement of OH minus ion in a base. That means replacement of OH minus ion in base. You need to notice that it's not completely, it is partially. Or we can say that basic salts are salts that are product of neutralization of a strong base and a weak acid. Let us take example like MgOHAl or AlOHAl to AlOH twice Al. Next our topic is strengths of acids and bases. Our first topic in strengths of acids and bases is oxides. Oxides. Non-metals are acidic in nature. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. I think you all know about non-metals. All non-metals are in P block except hydrogen. Let us take examples of non-metal oxides like CO2, SiO2, SO2, N2O5, SO3. Our next point is metal oxides are basic in nature. Let us take examples Na2O, MgO, CaO, K2O. You know that lanthanides and actinides contain metals although they are separate. On the periodic table, lanthanides and actinides are really specific type of transition metals. Our next topic is neutral oxides. Neutral oxides. These oxides neither acidic nor basic. I think you know about inert gases. So, I think you know about inert gases, I think. Let us take examples of neutral oxides NaO, NO, CO. And the next topic is the oxides of metalloids. All metalloids are amphoteric, that means they show both acidic and basic natures. Let us take example Al2O3, BeO, ZnO, PHO, PbO2, SnO, SnO2, etc. And I think you all know about hydroxides, hydroacids or hydrides. Hydroxides, metal hydroxides are basic in nature, and hydroacids are hydrides. Hydrides are acidic in nature. Acidic nature of hydrides increases along a period and also from top to bottom in a group. They are directly proportional to electronegativity of non-metal, and you know that electronegativity of my atom attached to hydrogen is more the acidic nature. Next topic is nature of oxides. Nature of oxides. Basic nature of metal oxides is directly proportional to size of metals, and acidic nature of non-metal oxides is directly proportional to 1 by size of non-metal. I think you understood it, so I think you don't need explanation. And consider a periodic table and check along the period and from top to bottom in a group. By using pH values, you notice that acidic nature of oxides increases from left to right in a period and decreases down the group, and basic nature of oxides decreases along a period and increases down a group. Point to remember: if a non-metal forms more than one oxide, the acidic nature is directly proportional to oxide of non-metal. That means if you take a non-metal X, if it forms more than one oxide, that means if it reacts with oxygen in different ways, then the acidic nature of that non-metal X is directly proportional to oxide of non-metal. Look, we have examples, but the last example is exception because it does not follow this rule. Please note it down. It is exception, so it does not have any explanation. You need to remember it. Thank you.